This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 8, TV, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, slide-out, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, skylight, refrigerator, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is 9,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.